Dear students, welcome to your English language online lessons. Today we are going to continue our model, which is Model 4. So, please take your student's book, page 78-79. Again, I repeat, take your student's book, page 78-79. Before we start, the lesson will contain the following. Before we start, the lesson will contain the following. Vocabulary. We are going to learn the vocabulary of supermarket sections. And we will have an exercise about some, any, few, little, lot of, too much, too many, how much, and how many. And in the last section we have writing. We will write a paragraph about shopping list. So let's start. Now you have page 78. Look at the main topic and look at the picture. Look at the picture carefully and tell me what you can see. Good. First, the main topic is supermarket, and the picture is in the supermarket. Okay, good. So, vocabulary, we have supermarket sections. Supermarket sections. So, our lesson today will be about supermarket sections. Good. Now, match the numbers to the sections. Listen and check. Listen and repeat. Okay, so in this ticket here, or in this card, we have the section of the supermarket from A to K. From A to K. So I will read these sections for you and try to match, the numbers with the sections. So A, we have diary. Please listen and repeat. Diary. B, meat and fish. C, drinks. D, bakery. E, paper products. F, fruits and veg, which means vegetables. G, crisps and snacks. H, home, bacon. I, frozen food. G, tinned goods. And K, household products. Please, I will repeat again, so listen and repeat. Diary, meat and fish, drinks, bakery, paper products, fruits and veg, crisps and snacks, home bacon, frozen food, tinned goods, household products. Good. Now, I hope you do the exercise, which is match the numbers to the sections. Listen and check, listen and repeat. So, pause the video and try to do the exercise. It's very easy. Before pause the video, do the exercise the exercise before I give you the answer. Good. Well done, my students. Now, this is the answer. So 1, where is 1? Yes, 1 is H, which is home baking. Home baking. 2 is G, tinned goods. Look, it's tinned goods. Look at 3. Look at 3. It's G, crisps and snacks. Okay, it's easy. Look, chips, snacks. Okay, 4. Okay, look at 4, which is C, drinks. Okay, it's easy, drinks. Now we have what? 5. Okay, look at 5. 5 is I, frozen food. Okay, look at 5. It's a frozen food. 6. It's a F. Yes, fruits and vegetables. Yes, look, fruits and veg. 7. Look at 7. It's easy. B. Okay, it's meat and fish. Look, this is a meat and fish. 8. What is 8? It's E. Okay, paper products. Now we have 9. It's K. Okay, which is household products. Yes, household products. Then we have 10, which is A, dairy. Okay, dairy. And the last is 11, which is D, bakery. Okay, which is D, bakery. Good. Make sure, please, you match all the numbers with what? Yes, with the supermarket sections. Now let's move to the second part of the question, which is where can you find the following? Write sentences. Where can you find the following? Write sentences. Okay, now we have what? Tissues, frozen vegetables, green tea, tomatoes, bottled water, ice cream, pop, olive oils, crisps, flour, honey, butter, cake, yogurt, bread, sugar, biscuit packets, toilet paper, apple juice, coffee, muffins, tuna, cleaning products, and margarine, biscuits, beans, sponges, tin foil, bin bags. Okay, now try to write sentences about the things, okay, where you can find these products. Try to write sentences where you can buy these products, where you can find these products. I will ask you again to pause the video and try to write sentences. Just select 4 or 5 words and try to write sentences. And now let me give you the whole, okay, sentences. Okay, 1. You can find frozen vegetables in the frozen section. Frozen food section. You can find green tea in the drinks section. You can find tomatoes in the fruit and vegetables section. You can find bottled water in the drinks section. You can find ice cream in the frozen food section. You can find pop in the drinks section. You can find olive oils in the home baking section. You can find crisps in the crisps and snacks section. You can find flour in the home baking section. You can find honey in the home baking section. You can find butter in the dairy section. You can find cake in the bakery section. You can find yogurt in the dairy section. You can find bread in the bakery section. You can find sugar in the home baking section. You can find packets in the household products section. You can find toilet paper in the paper products section. You can find apple juice in the drinks section. You can find coffee in the drinks section. You can find muffins in the bakery section. You can find tuna in the tinned goods, meat and fish section. You can find cleaning products in the household products section. You can find margarine in the dairy section. You can find biscuits in the crisps and snacks bakery section. You can find beans in the tinned goods section. You can find sponges in the household products section. You can find tin foil in the household products section. And at last, you can find bean bags in the household products section. So in general, okay, this is a very important information. Okay, this lesson gives you. So when you go to a supermarket, okay, you can learn here where you can find things. Okay, or when you need a specific thing, you will know where to go directly without asking someone. Nice. Now, dear students, let's move to another page. So we have everyday English. So we have deciding on a shopping list. So in this exercise, we will practice our grammatical lesson, that we have studied in the last lesson. We have A, read the dialogue and fill in some, any, little or few. Listen and check which sections in the supermarket do Anne and Bill need to visit. Okay, so I will read the dialogue for you and try to fill in with some, any, little or few. Anne, the kitchen cupboards are empty. We need to go to the supermarket. Bill, okay, let's make a shopping list. Anne, all right. Check the fridge first. Bill, there isn't milk and there is very cheese. Anne, so 2 cartons of milk and half a kilo of cheese. Do we need yogurt? Bill, no. We haven't 2 pots, but we need eggs. There is only 1 left. Okay. Then 1 box of eggs. How about fruits or fruit? Bill, well, there are very apples. Anne, okay, we will get 6 of them. Now, look in the top cupboard. Is there sugar? There is 1 bag, but there isn't coffee. Okay, 1 jar of coffee. Bill also added a packet of spaghetti. There isn't, and a tin of pineapple slice. And okay, is there any else we need? Bill, we need bread. There is very left. Anne, brown or white? Bill, brown. Oh, yes, added soap too. Anne, a loaf of bread, then a bar of soap. Bill, I think that's all we need. Let's go. So this is a form of a shopping list. Please try to do the exercise, fill in the spaces with some, any, little, or few. Again, I will ask you to pause the video and try to do the exercise before I give you the answers. Good. Now, this is the answer key. So one, there isn't any milk and there is a very little cheese. 3, we have, do we need any yogurt? 4, but we need some eggs. 5, there are very few apples. 6, now look in the top cupboard. Is there any sugar? 7, but there isn't any coffee. 8, there isn't any. Okay, there isn't any. 9, we need some bread. There is a very little left. And last, oh yes, added some soap too. So this is the answer key of the shopping list. And now let's move to B. Read again and write out their shopping list. Okay, let's write their shopping list. So, 2 cartons of milk, half kilo of cheese, 1 box of eggs, 6 apples, 1 jar of coffee, 1 packet of spaghetti, 1 tin of pineapple slices, 1 loaf of brown bread, and 1 jar of soap. I repeat, 2 cartons of milk, half kilo of cheese, 1 box of eggs, 6 apples, 1 jar of coffee, 1 packet of spaghetti, and 1 tin of pineapple slices, 1 loaf of brown bread, 1 bar of soap. Very good. Now let's move to the last part of our lesson today, which is speaking and writing. You need to go to the supermarket, decide on your shopping list, act out your dialogue, use the dialogue in exercise 3A as a model. Now write your shopping list. So this exercise is like practicing how to write a shopping list. It's very easy, and make exercise 3A as a model for you. Okay, it will be easy for you to take it as a model to write, okay, a shopping list. Okay, when you finish your shopping list, you can show your shopping list to your classmates, okay, and you can exchange ideas together. And now I am going to give you a homework, page 116, exercise 5. So as I said, before we finish our lesson, go to page 116, do exercise 5. I hope you enjoy your online lessons. Thank you so much for your attention and goodbye.